Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a 2006 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. It's got a beautiful burgundy paint job, fuel injected 88-inch twin cam motor backed by a 5-speed transmission. You can see it's got the Live to Ride, Ride to Live Harley Davidson air cleaner cover. You also got the timing cover down there to match. Nice wide floorboards and pedals. Chrome on this bike is beautiful. Looks like you got a small rock chip here at the rear of the tank. Somebody added a set of soft leather Harley Davidson saddlebags. Some storage there. You got your white wall tires with the wire rims. Nice tire on the back. Looks like a Dunlop. Got a lot of tread. You also got an upgraded passenger backrest with a cargo rack. And there's some more of that Live to Ride emblems. Chrome belt cover. You also got the Live to Ride derby cover there. Beautiful bike, guys. Nice front tire there with a lot of tread. Show off these white wall tires. I always like that look with the wire rims, those white wall tires. Looks like you got a small scratch here at the front of the tank. Also, I noticed you got your docking hardware here. If you wanna put a quick detached windshield on there. Live to Ride gas cap. Nice leather tank bib. See how many miles this 06 got. Looking at 3,898 low miles. And those are low miles for the year. It's almost a 10-year-old bike. I'll go ahead and start it up for you. Starts up nice and easy. This bike has been through our service shop, so it's ready to ride. Got a nice clean idle to it. See if I can find any more rock chips or blemishes in the paint. Looks like you got a small scratch here on the front fender, right above that Deluxe emblem. You got a small rock chip there on the front of the fender. Overall, it's a very well kept bike. Rear fender looks clean. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world, so it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.